Walang authority transfer. If your team is afraid to act without you, it means authority was never clearly defined in your system. Anak, this is not a people issue ha. This is a structure issue. Maraming founders ang nagsasabi, may manager naman ako. Pero when you look at how decisions are actually made, iisa pa rin ang may final say. May nakausap akong si Carlo. He runs a logistics business. Lumalaki ng operations, mas marami ng clients, mas maraming moving parts. He has an operations manager, experienced, matagal na sa kanya and capable. On paper naman, kompleto na. Pero sa reality, lahat pa rin dumadaan sa kanya. Fuel approvals, siya. Route decisions, siya pa rin. Client escalation, siya pa rin. So kahit na may manager, centralized pa rin ang authority. Kaya one day, nagkaroon ng delay sa delivery. The manager already knew what to do. Clear ang issue, may solution na. Pero hindi siya kumilo. He waited. Because in his mind, final decision pa rin si Carlo. At doon, nag-escalate ang problema. The client got frustrated. The delay became bigger. Operations were affected. Kaya anak, this is what happens when roles are assigned but decisions are not. A position does not automatically mean authority. Clarity creates authority. So, here's the leadership move, ha? Define what decisions can be made. Assign clear ownership. Remove unnecessary approvals. And eto yung lesson. Ang team na hindi makapag-decide, hindi dahil kulang sila sa skill. Kulang lang sila sa malinaw na authority. At kung umaasa pa rin sa iyo ang mga desisyon, hindi pa handa ang business mo na lumaki. Kaya, let's be business-minded. Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team. Pero gusto ng may structure, accountability, at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now anak ha! The link is in the comment section.